Good morning, everyone. My name is Jonas Lanis, and I'm your host in the Market Monitor broadcast. It is produced by TFLOW Cryptocurrency. TFLOW is TradeFlow, is a cryptocurrency company that designs trading algorithms and also STO offerings and other services on the blockchain. You can find more details on www.tflow.ai. And one of our main services, which we are presenting here at the Market Monitor, of course, is our futures trading algorithm. You can buy our token at Bitmart, B2B, and PancakeSwap, currently standing at near at its pre-sale price, 0.05. And the service that we are promoting today through the Market Monitor is TFLOW Bots, which is our copy trading platform, which you can sign up and join, and of course, our trading engine. You can also subscribe in our platform and get 20% discount on your trading fees. So let's start. You can also find us on our community on CoinMarketCap, where we post our trading results, and of course the latest news of the company and the Market Monitor as well. You can also find us on Binance Live. We post from Monday to Friday our technical analysis. And also, you can find us on TradingView. TFLOW Blockchain is our page, where you can also get access to our trading engine strategy. Furthermore, you can find us also on Trading Live platform. Thank you very much for your support there. We are currently new on Trading Live, going very well. Only 10 productions, but 1,300 subscribers. Thank you very much for your support, and move on with checking out the market. So again, as you can see, for third consecutive day, we stand at $1.4 trillion as market cap. Nothing spectacular here. The 24-hour volume is again at 24 billion. It's stuck there actually. And Bitcoin dominance is again the same like yesterday, 48.2%. For the BTC Dominance, and also we can see that the Fear Agreement Index is again at 41. So currently, let's say that the market is stuck in these numbers. Nothing particular is happening, and as you can see, again we are like yesterday at $25,798 for Bitcoin. Ethereum again at 1,639. So from my point of view, what I would expect is for us first to go lower, and then we should have all the field free to move on higher. But first we have to go under before we want to go higher. As you can see here, the 5 days is not going very well. 24 hours is not going very well. Let's see who is benefiting more the last 24 hours. Only CNX is at 70%, and 4chain Rune 4%. Nothing else in particular is going very well, as you can see here at the 24-hour. 7%, 6% for RNDR. Again, it's showing up at the top coins. GMX, nothing in particular very good for the market. Let's go to Altcoin Index. It's a platform that we check out on how everything is going on altcoins. And here, altcoin month, we have a Bitcoin month actually. So everyone is still behind Bitcoin and expecting for Bitcoin to lead the market. And over the last month, only 3 coins of the top 50 are in profits. As you can see, 25%, 24%, 29% loss for a lot of coins. So let's start our journey in TradingView, and I'm proud to say that I announced you yesterday that we are going to optimize the trading engine strategy, which is available to you through subscription model. And now it is optimized, and the trading engine retail version is optimized with artificial intelligence. And let's take a look at Bitcoin. But before we take a look at the 4-hour chart, let's close everything and let's take a look more clearly of what is happening. Let's go to the monthly chart to see what is going on with Bitcoin. Let's see the overall picture before we move on to see the smaller time frame. So right now, what we are seeing here in Bitcoin let me first drink some coffee, and let's take a look at what is going on with Bitcoin. 48% dominance, it means half of the market is in Bitcoin. So what we can see is from the highs of 67,000, we took a dip down to 16,000. And now what we are doing, we're seeing that here we had a reversal. We went from 16,000 to 31,000. We doubled our money from the bottom. So anyone who bought here doubled his money till 30,000. But now we are doing this higher low. That means that we are doing this low 1, 2, third month that we are on a downtrend, and this may change till the end of the month, and this higher low might change to this higher low, correct, is going to change to an uptrend. So we have a move up, a move down, correction, and then move up. So things are optimistic for the near future, but and we are printing this higher low. This is very, very good for the market. Let's go to the weekly chart again. We're going to see the same thing here, but in another analysis. Here, as you can see, we are in the weekly chart above the 200 SMA. That means that we are in an uptrend, but this is mostly for the daily chart, not the weekly chart. And we are just up, below the 50 days average. I don't care about these average lines. What I care is that we are seeing more clearly here this transition model from 16,000, uptrend correction, uptrend correction, uptrend correction, and then uptrend again. So here, either we're going to flip downside, but we have strong support at the volume profile here at 25,000, 24,000, 23,000. So my prediction is that we are going to see Bitcoin breaking up higher in the next weeks. This is what we should expect. And now what we know what we should expect, let's go back to the daily chart to see what's going on here. Again, as you can see, this is just a micro analysis of a bigger time frame. I explained to you what is going to happen in the bigger time frame. Right now, we can see that we have this consolidation that is killing us, but we have strong support here again at 25,000. We have a very good node here at the volume profile. So we're going to find support here and break up higher, and the resistance is at 28,000. So we're going to consolidate between these till Bitcoin takes a decision to move up, to move on higher. And now we can go back to the 4-hour chart and enlarge the chart and see how our algorithm is performing. Let's open up the TFLOW Trading Engine and see here that see overall results 1,107%. With only 25 drawdown, 42% success rate. It's the result of the algorithm. And if you go here and see that if on day one, you just put your money in this algorithm against just holding, you see now that you would end up with a much higher ROI than just holding Bitcoin, depending on when you bought it. Even if you bought here Bitcoin in this point at 64,000, if you were through futures trading and our model, you will still be gaining here and not seeing your money go down 80%. So let's take a closer look to what is going on now with algorithm. We have a long signal open, a long position open, good for this, good for the picture, and we hope that soon we have this positive wave that we are expecting kick in. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum also is trying to move on higher. It's also on a long position. It closed its previous short position with a small loss, and now is going to move on higher. Let's go to BNP. BNP still on a short position. No change for BNP. XRP, as you can see, the previous long position is still open. Atom is on a long position and it's gaining some, it's giving us back some profits. MATIC is still on the reversal, but we have a stop loss here. So we are going to see a long position soon open for MATIC. Let's go to DOGE. DOGE is on a long position, but as you can see, it just consolidates because we lack of volume. Let's go to VET. As I told you, and I explained to you, till we see this higher low print and Bitcoin breaking up, we're going to see this painful consolidation for the next days. Again, long, short, as you can see, we're not going anywhere. We're just waiting for the next big move. Phantom, the 5-hour chart, we change, we transition from the 3-hour chart to the 5-hour chart. Again, short, and we are just consolidating. Look at this MACD, look at this chart, is not good. And finally, Solana on a long position itself, and it went sideways, it went in the opposite direction. Now it's correcting. So we're waiting to see how this is going to play out. So as you can understand, it's a painful situation, consolidation, worst period of the market. But I explained to you that if we take a closer look to Bitcoin, we are seeing that we are preparing to print a higher low on the monthly chart. That means that the market is going to transition to an upside. This is my analysis for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm disappointed to see that the market is not offering us any excitement yet, but this is a game of patience, and you have to be patient and wait for the next wave so we are able to ride it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.